Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Opioid receptors. So let's begin with the mu receptor. So mu receptor, it includes the meiosis. Then comes the urine retention. And there is sedation. Next, there is slow GI transit. Slow GI transit, that is the constipation. Then comes the supraspinal and the spinal anesthesia. So the supraspinal as well as the spinal anesthesia, and there is respiratory depression. Next is molecular rigidity, muscular rigidity. Then comes euphoria, as well as modulation of hormone and neurotransmitter release. NT release, we are writing it as neurotransmitter release. Next, we look at the delta. So delta receptors, there is supraspinal as well as the and the spinal anesthesia. Spinal anesthesia. Next will be the modulation of the hormone and the neurotransmitter release. So modulation of the hormone and also the neurotransmitter. NT release, that is a neurotransmitter and its release. Next we move on to K, that is a kappa. So in terms of kappa, there is a slow GI transit. So there is a slow GI transit, this leads to the constipation. Then comes the supraspinal. The supraspinal and the spinal anesthesia. Analgesia. So the kappa, again it contains a psychomimetic effect. So psychomimetic effect, that is a dysphoria. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.